Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a BMW X3 tail light bulb. First, gather your tools. You'll need a T20 Torx screwdriver and a new 12-volt, 21-watt bulb. Make sure your BMW X3 is completely turned off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. Then, open the rear tailgate to gain full access to the tail light assembly. This ensures you have ample space to work comfortably and safely throughout the process. Now, let's get that tail light out. Look for the two T20 Torx screws that secure the tail light unit to the vehicle's body. Using your T20 Torx screwdriver, carefully unscrew both of these fasteners until they are completely loose. Once the screws are free, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back. It should slide out without much resistance, revealing the bulb tray. With the tail light assembly removed, you can now access the faulty bulb. Twist the bulb holder counterclockwise to release it from the housing. This will expose the bulb itself. Carefully pull the old bulb straight out from its socket. It might be a bit snug. Now, take your new 12-volt, 21-watt bulb and firmly insert it into the socket. Ensure it's seated correctly for proper electrical contact. To finish up, reinsert the bulb holder into the tail light assembly, twisting it clockwise until it's securely locked. Then, carefully align the entire tail light assembly with its opening on the vehicle and push it firmly back into place. Reinstall the two T20 Torx screws, tightening them until snug, but don't over-tighten. Finally, test your new tail light to ensure it's working perfectly. Remember to check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.